Hi, the world feels heavy with all the things that are happening, and I need a break. I just can't concentrate enough to put my thoughts together for a writing craft video, but that's coming. I'll have it up probably next Monday, but I need a break. So come along with me as I go about doing random things in this vlog. I feel I'm constantly working overtime just so that I don't fall behind in the future, and it's becoming harder to keep up with. Just when I feel I'm finally getting a handle on things, I realize, oh no, I can't take it easy because of XYZ reason. And I feel I need someone to take some things off my plate so that I'm able to do all the things I want to do, like YouTube, which I enjoy so much. Also work on my books and take care of my family and my house and learn to play the piano, because apparently that's something I feel I need to do these days. I feel I need someone just to tell me what I need to do, because being the boss and the employee of this entire system is not going as I thought it would. It's much harder. It's March and I still have one suitcase that I need to unpack from the time we moved into this new house. The other thing that I need to do is sort out this garage area, which works as a storage area also for us. Let me show you. I mean, it's not messy, but it's not really organized either. I have a lot of these small little tasks around the house that I need to do to button up and close these small tasks. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can watch these two videos and you'll be all caught up. Oh yeah, I also have a new desk. Technically, it's just a new desktop. I guess that's what you'd call it. It fits the frame of my desk and also fits the space better. So first thing first, tidy this desk. This feels so much better now. I hope this inspires me to sit down and write. And talking about writing, I wanted to quickly talk about Camp NaNoWriMo, which is coming up very soon, and I wish I was taking part in it this year. I really needed that push, but I'm not adding any more stuff to my plate right now. But I wanted to bring it up for anyone who is new to writing or needs that community to push them to make progress with their writing project. Let me quickly tell you about NaNoWriMo. It is a free event that happens every year in the month of November, where you write about 50,000 words in 30 days, basically the first draft of your novel. Camp NaNoWriMo is just like that, but it happens twice in a year, once in April and again in July. You can set whatever writing goal you want, the type of work you want to do, and the way you want to set your goals. So it can be word count, the amount of time you spend on your writing project, whether you are outlining a book or revising or self-editing a previous work, working on a short story, poetry, full-length novel, non-fiction, do what you will. The best part of this event is the community, and also if you're new to the writing and publishing world, you get access to a lot of resources that can help you write, as well as you get to know about the publishing industry from experts. And all this is free, as in you don't have to pay to take part in or get access to the resources they have. But of course, you will still invest your time, and that's cost in itself. But I digress. Why should you take part? Like I just said, you get to learn about the publishing industry. Also, it's motivating to see your progress. You can use this to discover your writing style, use it to work on building your writing habit. Say you want to write every day. This will be a great event for that. Or say you can never finish working on a piece. You can use this event to push yourself to do that. Camp NaNoWriMo also has cabins, which are so wonderful if you want to find a community of writers. definitely make use of it if you don't have writing friends in real life. The first couple of times that I took part in Camp NaNoWriMo, I went in blind, as in I knew what I was going to work on, but I didn't prepare for it, and that's the next thing I wanted to talk about: how to prepare for Camp NaNoWriMo. Take a few days before 1st of April to prepare for Camp NaNoWriMo. And a few things that I would suggest doing to prepare for this event are looking at your schedule and realistically seeing when you can write. In this video, I talked about how I do this in my Google Calendar. I'll link this video in this description section so you can check it out. The next thing would be to set a goal based on the amount of time you actually have to write. This way you are setting a goal that you can actually achieve. So if you have about 1 hour a day to write, and you can write about 500 to 1000 words in that time, and you can write only over the weekends, that means you will be able to write around 5000 to 10,000 words in a month. But if you can only write during the weekdays and not over the weekends, then your goal will be very different. The point I'm trying to make is to set a goal that you can achieve and not something that's so far off that it makes you feel awful for not keeping up with and not achieving it. I like to set goals that are encouraging because that helps me build momentum. So these were just a few thoughts I had about Camp NaNoWriMo. And now I'll go and do the house chores because my work time is over. All this took longer than I expected because I'm not used to vlogging, though I'm using this term vlogging very loosely. I know I barely moved around, but it did take me longer than I expected because I'm not used to vlogging and I don't have a realistic idea about how long it takes to set the camera and do the things. Definitely learning. That's it for this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.